Okay, right now I'm toasting some garlic in a dry fry pan, and we're going to take this to be used in pesto sauce. And the reason that we do this is to mellow the garlic flavor. Now we're putting in some olive oil. We're bringing some of the cheese into the pesto. And when you do it this way, it's done on a zester. When you're doing it this way, it's light and fluffy. I am using Pecorino Romano. That has become my favorite cheese. You know, at this point you could add salt, but Pecorino cheese is very salty to begin with, and I think that's why I like it so much. Now we're ready to put the pesto on the pasta and toss it together. And when you serve it, that's the time that you taste it, the final tasting, and then you just add whatever you think you need. If you want a little more oil, if you want a little more salt, if you want a little more cheese, that's the time to season it properly. And I like mine with a lot of cheese, so I am also putting a little more Pecorino Romano cheese on my pesto. Buon appetito e mangia.